Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was bopping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Alright guys, so we got the frame right here. We're gonna be cleaning it up, polishing it, and bringing it back to life. Alright, as you can see, bringing this baby back to life, get it polished, all cleaned up. Alright guys, so I'm working some of the stuff right here. I got a majority of everything cleaned up. This is the frame that we're gonna be working on. Everything's clean on this frame as well. Got pretty much all the rust out and everything. The thing that I'm having trouble with is this right here. You can see it's bent. I'm gonna see if I can put it back in place. I'm gonna check it out. Alright guys, so we're right here. We're gonna be working on the rims right now. You already know how I do it. Steel wool pad, right? Coming over here, some WD-40 steel wool pad, which is this one right here, guys. This is what I use. So let's get it. So I can see I got the steel wool pad on. Spray a little bit of this one here, running so crazy. I can see the rims. I go spoke by spoke, clean everything up. Get everything nice and cleaned up, taking all the rust off. Alright guys, so we're gonna put all this on this frame right here. Already got the crank and sprocket on. What's it got going on right now? We're gonna be putting the cups, the back wheels, the whole 9 yards. Let's get it. Alright, so right now the homie wants me to cut this, the top part, 6 inches. I'm gonna also weld the back piece for the fender. Who could connect it to the frame. Tell me right there. So we got the master right here. Yeah. This is gonna be the next big YouTube star right here.
Yeah. Something out of nothing, I think I'm gonna call it.
Something out of nothing, yo.
Unless somebody else got that title. So that's not 3 right on the money. We want it right on the money. And he's right there. He's right there.
So what we're doing right here, we're gonna be cutting this right here, making it shorter.
Where's that one at?
Oh, those right there.
Not this one here.
So this is what we got going on here. We cut it down 6 inches, as you can see. The one that we cut, which is this one. And see how long the original one is.
And then what we decided was to cut it in the middle here. So if a flag's hanging here, then you didn't see the blemish here. So that's why we cut it twice.
There you go. So right here we have a pair of Fenders, custom made, but I had to weld this part right attachment for it could hold, because it didn't have an attachment to hold like the regular Fenders. This right here is a sprocket that he wanted on. You know, I just did a lot of polishing, you know, got this stage done before I could stop her on the tires, you know, forks and all.